A few months ago, I tried to fix a damage on my car's paint. But honestly, it didn't turn out as I hoped. I'm no professional, but I thought I could do it. A quick YouTube search, and boom, a million videos telling you how easy it is. So how easy could it be? Turns out, not that easy.
Okay, I just fucked up there a little bit. I fucked up.
I kind of fucked up.
Oh. Yay. It was supposed to take this long.
So instead of redoing everything and expecting a different outcome, I decided to wrap the car in Tech Wrap's Mossy Green, aka Pickle Milk. Hold on. You tried to paint the car because you thought it was easy, and now you want to wrap the car because of the same reason?
Yeah.
What makes you think you could wrap the car better than painting it?
Because I watch YouTube videos
by CK Wraps?
Yeah.
Okay, well, why Tech Wrap then?
Because Pickle Milk.
Okay, obviously I didn't plan this very well, but I had a general sense of what I needed and wanted to do on the car, but just got distracted by all the imperfections. So, make a plan. By now I could have had an exhaust or some wheels. Damn, you spent that much on all of this?
Yeah, something like that.
But before doing anything, I needed to do an abnormal amount of prep work. Otherwise, this will happen. Oh, it peeled.
Not bad.
Holy fuck. Well, this wrap is ruined. Fuck. After sending all that off, I tried again and again, and I realized Tech Wrap sucks. Whatever. Well, not entirely. The internet seems to have their strong opinions about their quality, which I overlooked because Pickle Milk. But I should have known beforehand that their film is probably one of the hardest to work with because it's a calendared film. Essentially, the difference is that it's thicker and tougher to stretch and to work with than cast film. So, do your research. From my experience, I would say their quality isn't any less because of these differences. It just requires a different level of skill. So yeah, I wasted all that wrap on the hood. I spent so much time prepping the car that I had this unhealthy mindset to get it done, no matter what. So I kept trying, wasting more and more wrap thinking that this time I'll get it. I thought if everyone else can do it, why couldn't I?
Don't wrap your car without knowing.
But after my third failed attempt, I realized I needed more wrap.
I am pretty concerned that I am gonna run out of film, so might need to order some more.
What? I didn't even say what I needed. Luckily, their customer service is amazing. Honestly, I have no idea where the car would be at without them. So don't be stubborn. I was able to get the hood wrapped with the tack reducer. I just wish I had it sooner. But at some point, I knew there's some things I couldn't do. I mean, look at the side view mirrors. I tried so many ways to wrap them, but ended up going with carbon fiber overlays. Easy fix. What wouldn't be an easy fix is if I messed up on the bumpers. I didn't have enough wrap for any mistakes, and I didn't want to risk buying some more. So I took my car to a professional. Wait, I thought you were doing everything yourself.
I was going to, but come on. I got most of it done myself. Doesn't that count?
Yeah, no, it doesn't.
Okay, well, I ended up doing it myself anyways.
What? Like I said earlier, this wrap is more difficult to use, and I should have accounted for that when looking for someone. When I got the car back, only the front bumper was wrapped. They misused the remaining wrap I had, and I needed to buy more wrap again.
Bruh.
But that doesn't account for its poor craftsmanship. I just wanted something presentable. Not perfect, presentable. But this is what I got instead. Just terrible. I mean, I could have done better, and I should have, from the start. So just do it yourself. At least you know it was done to the best of your own ability. I ended up fixing the front bumper the best I could, and I think it turned out great. But it's definitely not perfect. While I was at it, I also decided to fix other areas that started to lift with a bunch of inlays. Essentially peeling back the wrap and inserting new wrap in its place. After all that's done, this is how the car looks. I mean, she's not perfect, but from 10 feet away, she looks pretty good. I definitely learned a lot during this process, and I'm just glad that it's finally done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.